In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a playlist on YouTube Mobile. Real easy to do. It's the same way if you're on an Android or an iPhone. So just go over to the YouTube app, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to the U button at the bottom right. This is basically your profile and your settings and all those things. So go ahead and click that. And then you're going to be to your page here where you have so many options, your search history, your watch history, and all these settings, but you want to focus on the playlists here as I'm scrolling through. So we're going to go ahead and hit view all. And then from this point, whatever playlist that you want to get rid of, what we can do is the three dots next to each playlist, go ahead and click that. Or you can click on the playlist itself, and you can just hit the three dots at the very top right here and hit delete playlist. So I'm just going to confirm it and hit delete. And then that's it. That is gone from your list. We can keep going here and do the same thing. What you can do is actually just go through and remove each video from a playlist just in case you don't want to get rid of all of the videos. You can just get rid of certain ones that you don't want. And that's a little bit more tedious, but it's a little bit more control over customizing your playlist just in case you want to get rid of stuff too. So that is it. That is how you would go about deleting a playlist on your YouTube app. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.